ballet class combination at the Barre with Jacklyn Dougherty. So you're gonna start in your first. You're gonna do a demi-plie, demi, and stretch. You're gonna do a demi-plie. At the same time, you're gonna do a tendu and straighten. Then you're gonna close in first. Then you're gonna do a nice demi and straighten. You're gonna do a port bras forward, 6, roll it up. You're gonna do a nice tendu, second. You're gonna do 2 grand plies, grand and down, grand and down. You're gonna do a circle port bras or grand port bras, da, 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 and then you're gonna go da, all the ways around, boom. You're gonna tendu to 5th. You're gonna do 2, a demi, straighten. You're gonna do a demi, tendu, and straighten. Back to 5th, demi, and straighten. You're gonna take a nice, come right back. You're gonna come up, you're gonna susu, and you're gonna do your other side. For more, please visit JacklynDougherty.com. Much love.